Welcome to our guide on adding an admin to your Facebook page using a laptop or PC. Let's make managing your page easier. First, log into your Facebook account and navigate to the page that you manage. Look for it in the left sidebar menu. Once you're on your page, click on the Settings option located at the bottom left of your page. In the Settings menu, find and click on the Page Roles section, which allows you to manage admin roles. Facebook provides various roles like admin, editor, moderator, or analyst. Each has different permissions. To add a new admin, simply enter their name or email address in the provided field. Make sure they are on Facebook. Decide what permissions you want to assign, ensuring they match the level of access the new admin needs. Once set, click on Send to issue the invitation. The new admin will receive a notification. After they accept the invitation, they will appear in the Page Roles section, confirming their role. And there you have it. Remember to periodically review roles to ensure your page remains secure. Thanks for watching.